Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to go over a tool that I believe everybody should have if you have a car. Have you ever been anywhere and you have a dead battery and there's nobody around to jumpstart you? Well, you don't have to have that problem anymore. Get your jumper cables, get rid of those. Pick yourself up the GOOLOO GP4000. This thing is basically a power bank that you can use to jumpstart your car without needing another vehicle, and I believe everybody should have one. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to get into all the details. Okay, just to be 100% clear, Gulu did send this to me for free to give a review on. So I don't want you guys to think that I'm giving a biased opinion because I got it for free. I am giving my 100% honest opinion here. If you guys have seen any of my other videos, I have used a jump starter similar to this, and I have preached it on my channel. It's a different brand, and it's about half the size of this, and that thing has worked awesome. Being double the size, I know this thing is going to be great, and it already has a couple more features than my other one does that I really like. So going over the box here, so this is the box that it comes in. I'll put up this this description right here on the screen so you guys can get a better look. But it goes over the product name, the model number, the capacity, the currents, and the amps, and the inputs and outputs. On the back side, I'll put up that one right now too. Easy to jump start 12-volt vehicles, connect the vehicle battery, green LED illuminates solid, and then you start vehicle engine. So it has 10 smart safety protections, which you can see them there, which is really good. If you guys aren't too comfortable jump starting your own car, my neighbor actually told me a story that his nephew accidentally hooked up the cables backwards, and they literally cooked the jumper cables on their car using regular jumper cables. You don't want to do that. You can destroy the vehicle's computer system by doing that. So this actually has a protection. If you put the cables on incorrectly backwards, it has a protection where it won't let you start that vehicle, and the light will turn red. So you are protecting yourself, you are protecting the vehicle. This is way better, and you really can't mess it up. So maybe if you in the past you were scared to use cables, you don't have to be worried about it anymore with the Gulu jump starter pack here. This thing is also a beast. It works on all gas engines, and it works up to 10-liter diesel engines. So you can start basically anything with a gas engine with this, and up to 10-liter diesel, which unless you're a truck driver or something, you're really going to be able to start anything. But we'll go ahead and we'll open it up and we'll see what we get in here. So opening it up, it comes in this nice case. It's not like a floppy case. It has a nice hard shell on it, so this isn't going to get damaged. It is kind of big, unfortunately. The other one that I have, it came in a case similar to this. I ended up taking it out and I put it in like a little zipper tool bag just to be a little bit more compact. But this does provide protection for it, and it holds everything in here real nice. So it's a real nice case. Opening it up here, we obviously have the jump starter. We have an instruction manual, a user's manual. We have a warning card. No, all seriousness, you should probably read this. We have our cables, which have a boost button on here, and it's got a correct and a reverse. Like I was saying, if you accidentally hook it up backwards, this will show that it's reversed. We have some power cords. We have a USB to a USB-C, and we have a USB-C to a USB-C. And then we have a, what is this thing called again? It's a 12-volt dongle. So if you have like the 12-volt outlet in your car, cars even come with those anymore. But it comes with one of these as well, and I'll show you a cool use I found for that actually. But getting right into the jump starter here. So we have a power button, and it shows us our lights. So you got 4 bars. It says do not try and start a car if it's less than 50%. So if you have 2 bars, don't try and start a vehicle with it. But it claims that the battery lasts up to 60 starts. So you can do 60 starts on one battery charge on this thing, which is crazy. I don't know how that's possible, but and I don't know why anybody would be having to start a car 60 times. Just get your battery replaced at that time. But it comes with a real nice light on the front as well. So if you hold this down, we have our light. And then if you click it again, you have a strobe. And then it also has a SOS light. Like I said, we have our 2 USB ports. One's a fast charge, one's a regular. And then we have a USB-C in and out. This is how you're going to charge this unit. So you can plug in your USB-C and then plug it into a power block or inside your 12-volt outlet on your car. But also it works out as well. So if you have something that's USB-C, like my iPad, for example, is USB-C, I can plug that in and plug my iPad and charge my iPad with this. But it's awesome. There's a spot on the side right here where the 12-volt dongle plugs in. And then another spot, you open up this little rubber tab. This is where you connect your cables to. You can't mess up what direction this goes. They're shaped a certain way. And you plug those right in. But this is just a super handy tool. If you go anywhere, camping, somewhere where you're not around other people, or even women, if it's not very safe to go ask strangers to get a jump start. There's a lot of crazy people out there these days. Get yourself one of these. It's very simple to use. Just go over using it, maybe in your driveway real quick. Open up your hood. Figure out where all your connection spots are after you buy one. That way, when an emergency does happen, you'll be able to use it. But also for camping and stuff too, this is great. Maybe you don't want to leave stuff plugged in your car and worry about having to kill your battery. You can use this as a power bank. You can plug in a bunch of devices on here. What I was talking about with the dongle is you can plug this in, and then they have those the 12-volt outlets that you can put in your car that have USB plugs. You can plug another one in here, get yourself a couple more ports. You already got the 3 ports on the side over here. You can charge a lot of stuff with this. Also, that light, super handy. You can use that in case of an emergency in your car. This comes in a couple different colors. It comes in orange, yellow, and red. Obviously, I have the yellow one here. Okay, now that we went over most of the details, I just want to show you guys how easy it is to use. So you obviously plug in your cables to the side. You go positive to positive, negative to negative. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but our correct light did turn green. So then all we would do is click that boost button, go ahead. You should be able to start that car up, no problem. And that's how simple it is. So we'll move on and we'll get back over to the desk and we'll talk about price. Okay, so this thing normally is pretty expensive. The regular price is $169.99. But we're in Amazon Prime Day deals right now. And you can pick this up for $69.99. I'm going to put up a screen right now because there's some codes you're going to need. July 8th, which is today, from 5 a.m. till 7 p.m., you're going to use the code KT9E40CO. And then from July 8th to July 11th, so today from 6 p.m. all the way till July 11th at midnight, you're going to use CHYK8T2A. That is going to be your code to get that $69.99 price. Please use the affiliate link in my description. It really helps out my channel. It shows Gulu that I'm getting them some traction, and hopefully they'll send me some more stuff to review for you guys in the future. But this thing is awesome. I'm not just saying that because they sent me it. Like I said, if you guys have seen my other videos, I've used one similar to this, and it has been awesome, and it's only half the amperage of this. And it just has so many functions you can use. That flashlight is super handy. Jumper cables are a thing of the past. You risk damaging your car. With this, you don't run that risk anymore, and you don't need another car. You don't need to be having to talk to strangers. You're just not going to be stranded anymore, and you're not going to have to rely on somebody else for help. So that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you again soon for another one. Okay guys, as always, thank you for watching. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit that bell icon if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Also, follow our Instagram. I post a lot of pictures and stuff on there. And I'll see you again soon for another video. Later.